you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Fortnite, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help get you back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Fortnite completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your Fortnite client is up to date. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them to fix potential bugs. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC players, you can clear the Epic Games launcher cache through its settings. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can resolve deeper issues with the game files that may be causing the loading screen problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and get back to enjoying Fortnite. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.